How to integrate Mailchimp with Stripe. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you step by step how we can basically connect both Mailchimp and Stripe for, all types of reasons that you actually want to do this for. Now, first, the basics is going to be obviously having a Mailchimp account, which is, obvious. And also, obviously, again, you would want to create a account for Stripe. So feel free to just take your time, create your account with both, and then we are pretty much set to move on to the next step. So what we need to do is just go ahead and go to the Mailchimp account that we have, open it up, and we don't really need to open up Stripe in another browser. I just had that to show you that you actually needed an account, which is obvious. So anyways, go ahead and open up your Mailchimp account, and then from here you want to basically just go down to the bottom of this left dashboard, this panel, whatever it may be. Just scroll down to the bottom until you find the option integrations. Integrations is just going to include all the apps that Mailchimp is compatible with, and you can basically integrate both of them. Now, obviously, you will need to make sure that your country does support Stripe, otherwise I don't believe that you can actually do this. So if you don't find Stripe in the integration section, maybe that's the reason why. Maybe your country does not support it. Anyways, click on integrations, and then from here we are just going to find plenty of apps that Mailchimp does offer integrations with. And I'm not going to waste your time and keep scrolling down. Instead, you can just go to the top here and look for Stripe. So you just search for Stripe and you should be able to find it right away. It's going to be this one. So sync Stripe customer and order data to Mailchimp. So just go ahead and click on that. And then here you can even read more about it. So you can connect the Stripe integration to automatically sync Stripe customers and orders to build effective multi-channel marketing campaigns. So if that's something that you actually want to do, basically you want to just click on connect after you find Stripe. And then it's just going to open up Stripe here for us, where you will need to just install the app here. So my account for Stripe is unfortunately not activated, but anyways, it may not even show you the screen for you. What it actually may show you is the screen where you will need to first log in, create your account, add your account for Stripe, and then you would want to basically just install app. And then once you actually install app, and you should actually activate your Stripe account, unlike myself. And once you do that, it's just going to actually install it for you. And then it should say that the integration between Mailchimp and Stripe is pretty much set and you're ready to go. And that's all there is to it. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.